Hey, welcome in everybody. This is Jason, your founder of the TCP SuperSystem. Just wanted to do a quick little video here. I've been out today for Easter, so happy Easter everybody. But I came back in and I see we might be getting a little run here. So I'm going to show you a couple things real fast. Not going to go through any news. Just going to show you some of the things on Bitcoin for our system. Some of the alerts we've recently gotten for just Bitcoin. Tomorrow we'll do a more in-depth review of some of these other alerts we've gotten, and just to show you, today alone, we have got a large number of alerts for Ethereum, the Graph, Uniswap, Doge again, Filecoin, one of the AI tokens, Arbitrum, SWI, YFI, or Yearn Finance, and Aptos. So we got a bunch today, but we're not going to go through those tonight. We're going to wait till tomorrow for that. So stay tuned. But for you Bitcoin maxis out there, I think you might like what I'm about to show you. We got fiat leak down there, 87,000. Basically, well, on TradingView it's 87,383 for Bitcoin right now, up about 2.6%. But I want to show you something which is really important. You can see that on our super system we got that confirmed uptrend here back on, that was April 17th, so what, 3 days ago. And we always say you should give it a day or two, and we had a couple days there, and then boom, here we go. We're starting to move higher, but I want to show you something that makes our system very nice. And I will tell you again, we have leveraged this system to make alpha returns that far exceed what you can normally get in the market, or what everyone's so excited about, the whole 7% in the equity market. We're looking for hundreds of percent gainers here. Bitcoin's getting some volume around the world. You can see fiat leak down there in the bottom right. It's flowing. So I think we all know where Bitcoin's going long term, but I want to show you, we've got the green uptrend, right? The cloud has turned green, so again, confirmation. We're getting a little spike tonight. Again, almost 86 or almost 87.5. You can see that we have now penetrated up through that orange line there. That's one of the moving averages. Then go back and look at some of our videos the last couple of days. We've mentioned that level specifically. But look here. These are the hot sensors. Again, short term, medium term, long term. We're looking at color scheme and we're looking at crossovers. So in the short term, you can see it crossed over back over here, which is like basically the day we got the potential trend reversal, and then that was followed by that confirmed. So we are in the white, so we're not in any kind of over, bought or exhausted area here. It goes white, gray, blue, yellow, orange, red. So we would be looking to scale out for our portfolios as it gets into that red zone, or at least evaluate the opportunities for that based on the other indicators. And again, we always have to say, this is not financial advice. The system, our interpretations, our actions may not be suitable for you. This is just information for you to maybe help you when you are doing your own research. So keep that in mind. We are not financial advisors. But mean reversion data, this is exactly what we want to see. So you now have the confirmation of the trend, the green cloud, one crossover, improving color schemes on the medium and long-term hot sensors. On the mean reversion, our volatile red line, the short-term line, is up above the extremes, along with the orange that is now penetrated up through the red zone and is approaching those extremes, and the blues penetrating the green opportunity zones. All I'm going to say is, historically, when we're using this system, this is a very, very good sign. So we will see where Bitcoin goes the next couple days. Don't be shocked if we're hitting 95 to 100,000 over the next week or so. Again, not predictions, it's just typically just our interpretation of this system. So we'll see. We're going to have some resistance along the way around this 91. We're almost at the 200-day moving average around, what is that, 80, 88 and change. So we'll see where we go. but this is looking pretty good right now. So that's Bitcoin. Just wanted to show you that. We got action around the world. We got a lot of developments. We got some news we'll share tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this short little one. Again, TCP SuperSystem. I am your creator. We give this to you for free because we want to help ordinary people. In return, all we ask is that you can help support the channel, help us grow, like, share, subscribe. That's all we want, and we can keep this thing for free. So that's what we're trying to do here. We'll see you tomorrow. Happy Easter. Have a good night.